Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Shimi's Kitchen. Today I am making the best mutton white biryani. I have already shared different flavors of biryani, but here you will find the unique taste that will compel you to make again and again. So let's see how to make this mutton white biryani. Let's start. Bismillah. First I'm going to add 6 to 7 green chillies in a blender, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, small piece of nutmeg, 5 green cardamoms, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 mace, 1 teaspoon curd. Now close the lid and blend it nicely. In a bowl add 750 grams mutton. To this I am adding the green chilli mixture. Add 1.5 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoon chaat masala, 2 tablespoon curd. Mix it up nicely and marinate this for 30 to 40 minutes. Add 1 cup oil in a pressure cooker. I am using the same oil in which I have used to fry the onions to garnish. In a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon Shah zeera, 1 teaspoon black peppercorn, 1 inch cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 3 green cardamoms, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 bay leaf. And now add all these spices in hot oil and saute for a second. And to this I am adding 2 sliced onions. Saute it till it becomes translucent. And next I'm going to add the marinated mutton. Fry this mutton for 3 to 4 minutes on medium-high heat. Goes in some fresh mint leaves, some fresh coriander leaves, 3 to 4 green chillies. Give this a very nice mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium-high heat. And next I'm going to add the leftover water from the marination. Add half cup water. Now close the lid and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. To parboil the rice, add 2 liters of water. Add 3 teaspoons salt and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Now you can see the water is boiling. At this point I am adding 4 cups of soaked basmati rice. Always soak the rice before boiling. Now let the rice cook for 5 minutes on high heat. Cook this till rice is 75% done. Once done, strain the rice and set this aside. Mutton yakhni is ready. Open the lid when pressure goes off. Remove excess oil from top of the yakhni and keep this aside. And now it's time to assemble the rice and yakhni in a large biryani pot. Pour some oil. Next layer it with cooked basmati rice. Top up with mutton yakhni. And now sprinkle some fried onions. And again I'm going to add the rice. Layer again with mutton yakhni. Sprinkle some more fried onions on top of the rice. Again I'm going to add the rice. Sprinkle some more fried onions. And now add the excess oil. Goes in 3 to 4 tablespoon ghee. Once done, wrap the biryani pot with aluminium foil. Now close the lid tightly. Switch on the flame and cook this on high flame for 3 to 4 minutes and then slow cook for 10 minutes. Once you are done with dum process, slowly open the lid. Be very gentle while you mix the rice. And now the biryani is ready. Transfer this on a serving plate. Garnish with some fried onions and mint leaves. Serve immediately with raita and enjoy with your family. The beautifully spiced and fragrant layers of biryani rice centered with juicy tender meat and spices is pure bliss. So make sure you try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. And that's a wrap. If you guys enjoyed this mutton white biryani, give me a great big thumbs up below and make sure to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. Please leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Have a nice day.